Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nwaezeedavid, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to form an LLC in the USA using TailorBrands. Now, before I share my screen with you to show you step by step how this is done, I would like to point out that you can form an LLC in the USA no matter the country you're from. All you need is the right information and the right tools, which I'm going to be giving it to you in this video. So make sure to pay close attention and watch this video to the end. Alright, so if you're ready to register your business in America, go ahead and watch this video to the end and make sure to follow through step by step as I'm showing you in this video. Okay, so if you're ready, let's jump right in. Alright, so here we are on TailorBrands. When you click on the link in the description of this video, you'll be taken straight to this page. Now, the first thing you need to do when you get here is to click select the state where you want to register your business. Now, I have an address in California, a virtual address, so I'm going to select California. If you don't have a virtual address in the US, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video showing you how to create a free virtual address in the US. So once you create that, you can use that address and continue. Now, I'm going to select California. Like I said, I have an address there, and then click on get started. Now, once you click on get started, it's going to take you to a page where you're going to answer a bunch of questions about your business. Now, these questions will help you tailor a business registration package that is specific for you and your business. Okay, so alright, so this page has loaded up after we've selected the state that we want to register our business in. Now, this page says enter your business name. Now, you're going to check the availability of your business, whether this name is available in the US. So I'm going to enter the name I want to register, which is Nwaeze Media. Sorry, it's Media, not Media. Okay, Nwaeze Media. I'm going to check if this name is available to be registered in the US. So I'm going to click on check availability. Now it's going to check, say Nwaezeedavid. Okay, a great choice. You can almost picture it already. Nwaeze Media, California. Okay, now that you've got a perfect name, it's time to set things in motion. Now, this name is available because assuming it's not available, it's going to tell me that it's not available. So I'll change the name. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, click on next and go to the next page. Now, the next page is going to ask you what stage your business in. Now, is your business in just an idea stage, or is it taking the first step, or are you about to launch, or are you already a business? Now, you can even register even if you're already a business. So I'm already a business. I'm going to select already a business and then click on next. Now I'm going to take you to the next page. Now the next page is to ask you the industry which your business is in. Now, what industry? I'm going to enter media. Okay, media. Yeah, media entertainment. I'm going to enter media entertainment. Once you've entered the industry your business in, go ahead and select what your business does. Say, what does Nwaeze Media offer? Now, is it a physical goods? Do you sell physical goods, or do you offer professional services? Now, if it's not in any of this category that is here, go ahead and type in the option. Let's say, for example, mine is not just professional service, is content creation. I'm going to enter content creation. So enter it here and click on next. Now you're going to ask you, are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming years? Now select yes. The reason why you are selecting yes is so that you can get your EIN number. Your EIN is employer identification number. Okay, it's a number that can act as your social security number, that can also act as your tax ID number. So it's very important that you have it. So select yes and click on next. Now, once you click on next, where will Nwaezeedavid operate in? Now, enter your business or home postal code. Now, what is the postal code for your business? Now, mine is California, and the postal code is 90503. Yes, so I'm gonna enter it. Now, where will your business serve customers? Is it an online business, or is it a brick and mortar? That's a physical shop business that have people coming and buying things. Now, if it's that, select it. Just select the option that best describes your business. Mine is online, so I'm going to select online, then click on next. Now the next form is to select what else you are planning to do for your business. Now already I've selected LLC. Now if you want, maybe you don't have a logo for your business, you want them to create a logo for you, go ahead and select logo. If you want insurance for your business, which is important, go ahead and select insurance. Now if you want tax and accounting, well, you can select it, but I'm going to leave all this unselected. Select only EIN, which is what I need. Then license and permits. You see these three things: license and permit, EIN, and your LLC formation. Very, very important. Now other ones are optional. I think you can add, but I think I would recommend you add this insurance. It's very important, just in case anything happens. You have a sound backup. You can also leave it. So let me just leave it for now and select the basic things that I need, which is the LLC, the EIN, and the license and permits. Now once you've done that, click on next. Now you're going to enter, say, what did you already do for Nwaeze Media? That's okay. Select the things that you have already done. That's what it's asking you to do. Is there anything that you have already done for your business that you don't need to be done again? Let's say, for example, you have a logo. You can select logo. That means they're not going to create a logo for you. Maybe you have a domain name. You select it, they will cancel it, they will remove it from the service they're going to offer. If you have a business bank account, you can select it. So just select the thing that you know that you already have. Let's say, for example, I have a logo, I have a domain. So I'm going to cancel these two and leave the remaining. So they're going to set up these remaining ones. So scroll down. Do you want to manage your taxes? Now, if you want them to manage your tax accounting, you can leave all these things optional, leave it the way it is. Now, okay. So we're gonna remove. We have a website, we have business email, we have digital. Leave it. Okay. Now, business card. You want a business card, merchandise, graphic design. So if you want any of this, go ahead and leave it. If you already have it on board, if you already have yours, just select it and cancel it out. Okay, so it will not be part of what they're going to give you. So once you've done that, click on next and proceed to the next page. Now, how did you discover TailorBrands? Of course, you're going to select YouTube. You select it and click on next. Then, based on your answer, let us build a free tailored business plan. Now, if you want a business plan for your business, it's important you have a business plan anyway. So they're going to give you a business plan for free. They're going to create a business plan for you for free. So go ahead and say, yes, I want a business plan which is free. So select it and click on next. Now, once you've done that, you're going to enter your details. Now, you can log in with Google, or you can enter your name. I prefer you enter your name manually. Enter your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email. Now, this phone number, don't panic if you don't have a USA phone number. Just select on this flag and then select the country you are in. Okay, you select your country. Once you selected your country, you cannot enter your phone number for that country. Okay, so that's just it. So I'm gonna pause this video right now, fill these details, and then go to the next page. We'll continue from there. Alright, so once you have entered your contact details and your password to create your account, you're gonna come to this page. So the next option now is to select whether you want an EIN, which is yes. Of course, you want your EIN, so select yes. Help me get my EIN. Okay, don't select how I will handle it myself. If not, it will take you, unless you know how to get your EIN, which will cost you a lot more. So it's best you select this option so that they will get it for you. So select it and scroll down, then click on next. Now you're gonna select registered agent. Now remember, registered agent is very, very important. A registered agent is a designated individual or business entity that must be available during business hours and handle formal documents for your business. Now, if you know you cannot be available every time, every hour to handle anything concerning your business in the US, I would recommend you leave it for TailorBrands to handle it for you. Now, if you don't want TailorBrands to handle it for you, you can appoint someone else different. and pay them to handle it. So it's best that you leave it, let TailorBrand handle it. So go ahead and select it. It's recommended. Select TailorBrand, then scroll down and click on next. Now once you've done that, go there and keep my LLC compliant. Now this is for compliance, to make sure that you are not you're not late on your compliance, or maybe occur any filing violation or that one. So to make sure that you are compliant with your state filing fees, your taxes and everything, make sure you select this option that says keep my LLC compliant. Now select it and scroll down and click on next. Now the next option after you've done that is to get a toolkit. Now this one is optional, your branding toolkit, that if you want your website, your logo, business card and etc. If you don't want any of this, you can click on I don't want the tools, so they will not charge you for this. Click on next. Now once you've done that, the next option is how long you want your business registration to take. Now if you want it to be done within 2 days, go ahead and click on this option that says expedite filing time, which will charge you around $49. Now but if you don't want to pay anything, you can select I can wait for 2 weeks or more. Now if you can wait for that long, then select this option and you don't need to pay anything, then click on next. Now once you have done that, your operating agreement, which is a must, you need to have your operating agreement. So select yes, get my operating agreement, and then scroll down and click on next. Now you are going to come to this option that says you want to create a free business bank account for your business. Now select yes, I want free bank account. This is free, so even if you don't want to create a business bank account, you can select I don't need a bank account, but this is free and then they're not charging you, they're going to help you create it for free. So go ahead and select yes, I want it for free, then click on next. Alright, so now you click on next and this option comes in. This is the payment plan. Now you can see there are 3 payment plan here. There is a light option, there's essential, there's elite. Now I would recommend you go for either essential or elite, but though any of them can serve you. Now essential is the recommended plan, which I'm going to go with. So I'm going to select essential because you're going to help us form an LLC, get our tax ID number and all the recommended business information we need. If you need all these additional things like all these domain, logo, digital business card, etc., go ahead and select the elite plan. But if you want the basic business registration details and documents, go ahead and select the essential. So I'm going to select essential. Okay, I'm going to select it and go to the next page. Alright, so the next page has loaded up, which is a summary of what we have just selected. So this is the essential plan, what we are getting. Okay, now this is total amount we are paying $199. We are paying registered agents around $199 per year. Employee ID number, that's your EIN, of course, very important. Then your business banking, then California state fee. Everything will cost around $274. Very, very okay. Now once you have reviewed this and it's okay, go ahead and click on proceed. Now you are going to select the payment option that is okay with you. If you want to pay with PayPal, go ahead and select PayPal. If you want to pay with credit card, select credit card. Okay, you pay with credit card, then click on continue. Now once you've done that, you're going to enter your card details. Enter your card details here. Enter the expiry date, the CVV. Now this CVV means the 3 digits at the back of your credit card. Enter it here. Enter your first name, your last name. Make sure that the name you're entering here is the same thing on your card. Then enter your address, the address for your card. Enter the states, the country and the state. Then click on make payment. Now once you have made your payment, your account is going to be created. Now you could log into your TailorBrand dashboard and then monitor the progress of your business. Now note, immediately you make payments, your business registration will begin immediately. So you can always cross-check and make any necessary edits or correction from your dashboard. Okay? So go ahead right now, make payment. So there you have it, a step-by-step tutorial guide showing you how to form an LLC in the USA from anywhere you are in the world. Now, I would recommend that you take a chance with your business right now and make it a registered USA business. There are so many advantages to doing this, so go ahead right now and do that for your business, okay? Now, I've done something for you and I'll need you to do something for me in return. I need you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed, and also share this video with your friends. Now, when you subscribe, you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now, also the link to TailorBrands sign up is in the description of this video or below this video. Go ahead right now and click on it, check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.